here we will now use the React router. Okay, so we will be creating a multiple pages. So paano natin gagawin yon? Okay, so first here under SRC, gawa tayo ng we will create pages directory or folder, and then inside that pages directory we will create, let's say, 4 pages. Home, again, we'll add content to this home, and then another one about the GSX, and then another one services.jsx. Okay, and then let's say contact.jsx. Okay, so we will now close these 3. No, we will now add first the content of each, this of each page. Okay, kasi muna natin to. Okay, so here we will now remove everything. Okay, sin natin, and also here in the oath. Okay, remove muna natin yan. Now we will now first install the React router DOM. Okay, so npm install or I React router DOM. Okay, so it's already installed. Dito, we will now import the 3 functions of React router DOM. So we have here the browser router, the routes, and then the route. Okay, so browser router dito sa loob, i-wrap natin siya, or it's better if yung browser router natin dito ilalagay natin siya sa loob ni main.jsx. Okay, so import, i-wrap natin siya dito. Browser router, lagay natin dito si browser router. Yan, punta natin si app sa loob. Okay, that's it. Under app.jsx dito, lagay natin si routes, and then each route lalagyan natin siya for the, okay, home. So home dito, element equals, ito yung syntax natin. Again, yung shortcut, hindi siya lumabas. Okay, so we will import manually home from yan excuse me, pages, and then home. Next, copy natin to para mabilis. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Okay, home, about, contact, and then services, and then here change this into about, change this into contact, change this into services. Okay, so import about, contact, and then excuse me, services. Okay, that's it. And then here, okay, so you can see ganito lang yung lumalabas. Ayan, ayan. So lagyan natin siya ng home, pupunta siya kay home. Okay, so paano natin ilalagay ngayon si navigation bar dito? Okay, so let's just put the nav bar here. Ayan. Okay, ayan na siya. And then this nav bar, lalagyan natin, we will add links here. Okay, dito under nav bar here, then we'll create here a dot flex dot justify dash center dot justify items dash center. Okay, then that menu dash horizontal. Okay, so we have here UL, and UL pala to. This is UL. Okay. LI here. Okay, this is home. LI about, contact, and then services. Check natin dito. Ayan. Okay. So, we will now add first gaps. Siguro dito, gap-4. Okay. Yan. Then here, under href, lalagay natin yung path. Ito yung mga paths natin. Okay? So, for the home, punta siya kay home. About. Okay, so pasensya na if naka-auto complete AI ako para mabilis since I have only 15 minutes each video. Ayan, kaya nilagyan ko na ng ganito. Okay. So here, check natin home, about, contact, and then services. As you can see, nagre-refresh pa din yung page natin. Okay? So how will we prevent the page to refresh? So dito, we will use the use navigate function. Use navigate. Ayan. Then constant navigate equals use navigate. And then dito, instead na kanyan, pwede natin siyang gawing as on click, and then ganito, and then ganyan, and then the navigate variable, and then the path. Okay? Palitan ulit natin to into asterisk. Then ganyan, shortcut na natin. Then ganyan. Then ganyan. Okay? So check natin home, about. As you can see, hindi na nagre-refresh yung page natin. Simple as that. Okay? And you may also change A into button. Check natin yung button link dito. Button link. Ayan. So pwede natin gamitin si button link dito. Ayan. So instead of A, pwede mo siyang gawing button here. And then ganyan. Then class. Sorry. Class name btn-link. Okay? So as you can see here, ganyan siya. Pwede naman ganito. Okay? Now, we are done here. Check natin yung ilang minutes na ba to? I don't know. Okay. So next, ibabalik natin si login or si Candy Oath. Okay? So sa part na to sa pinakagilid, we will add a for example, a login button, or pwede naman dito sa gitna. Okay? Or check natin dito, let's say kung may hero section tayo dito, lagay natin sa hero section. Ito na lang gamitin natin. Okay? Okay, copy natin to. And then here, under home, meron tayong hero section. Or maybe, much better pala, if instead of home, just use the asterisk. Ayan, yeah, asterisk. Asterisk gamitin natin. Okay, so here, in home, paste natin ito. Okay? Check natin. Home. Ayan. So if we click get started, pupunta siya sa login or create account. Okay? So paano natin gagawin yan? Now, here, lalagay natin si import use Candy Oath. Okay? Here, constant login. Constant login equals use Candy Oath. And then here, on click, and then login. Okay? So simple as that. Okay. And then, so if we click this, login tayo. Ay, what happened? Okay. I think it's already logged in. So i-check natin yung authentication nito if authenticated na ba siya o hindi, or punta tayo sa application, local storage. Ayun. So as you can see, meron na tayo, nakapag-login na pala tayo.